Hi, MemberPress is a powerful membership plugin that allows you to create memberships so that users have to subscribe to one of your memberships in order to get access to your paid and premium content. There are various third-party plugins that have created integrations with MemberPress that allow you to create courses on your website, such as LearnDash and WP Courseware. However, these are paid premium plugins, and maybe you're looking to save some money while your site continues to grow. Or maybe you just don't want one of those plugins at this time. If so, in this video, I'm going to be outlining how you can create a course website without one of those plugins. To get started, we're going to add a free plugin. So, going to the Plugins, Add New page, I'm going to search for that plugin, which is called Custom Post Type UI. I'm going to install it using this button, and then once that's done, activate it with that button. With this plugin activated, you'll notice this new menu item here, CPT UI, which stands for Custom Post Type UI. To get started, click on Add or Edit Post Types. Now here, I'm going to edit or add the post type slug for my courses. In this case, I want it to be My Courses, and the plural label I want to be courses and the singular label to be course. Next, I'm going to click Populate Additional Labels based on chosen labels, which will then auto-populate for the additional label settings here, which allows me to skip all of this. Next, in the settings section, I'm going to edit some of these settings, but most of them I'm going to leave the same. The first one that I want to edit is Capability Type. So I'm going to scroll down until I see that, which it's right here, and I want to change this from post to page. Next, for this setting here, I want to set it from false to true. Next, I'm going to look for the menu icon option, which is shown here. Now, you can upload your own custom image if you want, but honestly, the easiest thing is just to select one of the dash icon class names that WordPress provides you. This is what that page will look like, and you can simply just look through these and pick one that you think will work for you. Now, this is something that only you as the admin will see, so just click something that works for you. In this case, I'm going to select this one because I like it, and copy that, and then paste it in here. That will create the icon for the menu item that's going to appear here. Next, for supports, you want to make sure that you enable the following options in addition to these first three that are selected. Those would be Excerpt, Revisions, Author, Page Attributes, and Post Formats. Next, in taxonomies, I want to make sure to enable both of these, both categories and tags, and then click Add Post Type. With this custom post type created, you'll notice that it added a new menu item here. This is where I'm going to be creating my courses. So, I'm going to click on Add New. Now, when creating your courses through this method, you have to create a parent course first, which is what I'm going to do here. But then, if you want to create various lessons that are connected to that parent course, you have to create, in this system, what's called a child course. So getting started with my parent course, I want this to simply just be the same name as the membership that you saw at the very beginning of this video, which is this. With this named, I'm ready to publish this. Now, I'm not going to take the time to add content to this page in this video, but just know that here in the content block section, you can add in any content that you want your users to see for this course, which could include links to the various lessons associated with this course as well. For now though, like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and publish this course page. So now it's live, and I want to create some child courses that can be connected to this parent course, which will act as my various lessons for the course. So just click on the Add New button again, and then here I'm going to give this a name. In this case, it's going to be my Lesson 1 for the WP Beginners course. To connect this as a child page to that initial course that I created just barely, I'm going to scroll down here, and under Course Attributes, Parent Course, I'm going to select that WP Beginners course. Now for order, I want this to be 0 for this one because this is the first lesson or the first child course associated with this parent course. With this page created, I'm going to go ahead and add my lesson 2 to this course. So I've given it a name, as you can see here, and again I want to connect it to my initial WP beginners course. And you can see here my lesson 1 was also added below it. But remember, you want to make sure that you're selecting the appropriate parent course. And then on order here, I want to up this number to 1. That way, in order, it will appear next. And I'm going to go ahead and publish that. From here, in creating your courses, you want to just simply add content to the various child courses, which again are lessons, and the parent courses that your users will see and interact with. Again, in the video just below this one, I'm going to outline how you can more fully connect these courses and child courses or lessons on your website that makes sense for you. Thank you.